Well, good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We're gonna head down to Kamakura today, check out the bamboo forest. It's very cool. We got a nice little breeze today, so you'll be able to hear the bamboo bouncing off it. And we'll head up maybe a shrine or two or some temples, huh? Yeah?
Yep.
We got to start the day off right, though. I'm gonna get that smoothie in before we get our day going. I bought a butter croissant that they have in there, and then a piece of chicken, and then I put it together. It's so good. It's so good. Whoa, it's so good. We are now in Kamakura, out by the bamboo forest. You excited for that?
Yeah.
Yeah? I don't think
it looks really cool.
It does? He said, I got hungry, Dad. Oh my gosh. I got you. What do you think of that?
So cool.
It's very cool. I've been here once before, never.
Oh wow.
Yeah, the bamboo area. What do you think, Tanner?
I like the koi fish.
He does love fish. It's just so peaceful here. What do you think, Tanner?
It's cool.
You like the bamboo?
Calm.
Well, kind of calm, but you know. Busy day. That's the green tea house. Pretty small area. You can walk around really quickly here. It's just so... On a windy day, or windier than it is today, you can hear all the bamboo bouncing off each other. It looks super cool.
There's a lot of yen in there.
Yeah? It's really nice here. And if you walk around the trail real fast, it just makes you leave. So take your time when you're in here. But we got all our photos.
Yep.
Cool video.
Yep.
Let's go somewhere else.
Yep.
Was it worth it?
Yep.
Yeah. Tanner likes casual, calm places. This one was his favorite, easily, right? The bamboo, the fish.
Nope.
He doesn't really like tea though.
Nope.
But
Especially green tea.
yeah?
Yep.
What's your favorite tea?
None.
Oh. He doesn't like tea. Tanner got excited because this is like just a little river running through the town here, and there are giant fish just swimming around like in the neighborhood. Is that right there?
Yeah.
You think it is?
Yeah.
I thought it's just grapes though.
Yeah, but there's also only 2.
Oh. We're here. I can't say the name correctly, so I'm not going to do it. But we're here now. They've got a bunch of little stands with food and stuff like that. Over there they got the fish and the pigeons.
Oh.
You remember that?
I want to get food for them.
There we go.
I want to feed them.
So we're back in the central Kamakura area. Cotton candy? I had this last time I was here, like a year ago. And I was like, man, it's a little chewy. Cow tongue. Just Google Translate it too. Yeah.
Like a churros?
Yeah.
Well, what's the candy strawberry?
Yeah, I had a cow tongue before. We play the game of, I don't know what, if you don't read it and you just look at it and it looks really delicious, just go for it.
Don't read it before you eat it.
You had to have a churro. And then you got to watch them make it and everything. That's a lot of cinnamon on there.
It's
No?
hot.
They just made it.
It's really hot. I like the cinnamon. It's actually really good.
Really good? Like the best churro you've ever had? Really good? Wow. It had chocolate and some other flavors too. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Alright, 100 yen. They got carp food available. Look at these guys. Hi guys. Tanner's got you. Get it, Tanner. Drop it. There you go. See, now they're all coming. You just hold your hand up like this and then like. Alright. Look, here they come. Look, they're coming around the corner. Toss. Don't toss too far, the ducks will come get it. Look at you. Feeding the fishes. Oh, look, they're all right there.
Can I get some?
Yeah. All right, Tanner, do it.
Oh! He's on his head!
Oh my god! Churro, how was it?
Really good.
Really good. And feeding the fish.
That was fun.
That was great. It's 200 yen for 2 bags. Wonderful deal.
It's 1,000 yen for 10.
That's good math, sir.
It's worth it, trust me.
I trust you. All right, we're gonna start walking back towards the train station.
Yep.
And do you want to go to another place?
Sure.
Okay. We can go another place. What are you thinking? The temple with the cave? Or are you thinking like just somewhere else?
Maybe somewhere else.
Okay. We are right here. We went to the bamboo garden over there. We got off the train here. That's, let's see, where'd it go? I lost it. That's the temple I was talking about going to. He said no. So let's see what else we can do here. See anything you want to do? No?
No.
There's tons of shrines and temples everywhere. We should do one of those. What do you think?
No.
No?
No.
Come on. They got ones in Sensoji Temple up in Tokyo.
Yep.
Yeah?
Saw them.
We can do that. Come on. No?
No.
Okay. Walking down the street here, and Tanner wanted to get some crab.
Hot.
They just cooked it on the grill over here, so let's go stand over here. How is it?
That's good.
Is what you looking for? Got it.
That's really good.
Look at that smile on his face. This kid loves shellfish like crab, lobster, shrimp. So, and sushi now. Okay, we'll let him eat. I just had a piece of chicken from 7-Eleven and I found some Danish bread and I squished it between. Oh my gosh, it's such an upgrade. I'm now addicted even more to the 7-Eleven chicken. Tired Legs wants to go back to the tired room and grab some food on the way. So, we're done in Kamakura for the day. We saw some stuff, bamboo forest.
That was cool.
That was very cool.
Yep.
Fed some fish.
Yep. That was
Ate
fun.
a churro. Had some crab.
Yep.
I want to be like you when I grow up. You get all the cool stuff.
When you grow up,
Yeah.
but I'm a kid.
Oh, I was just never going to grow up, see? All right, we'll see you guys back in Yokohama. Yep, let's go there. back in our area now, and it's raining. Well, I mean, it's like a mist, but you know, it's sprinkling. Me and Tanner are going, wait a minute. Today was only supposed to be a 1% chance, and the other day was like 40.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Hey. Tanner has a strange request, and I think it's because he kind of misses home. We're going to Dominos. Look at that smile. He's like, they have Dominos here? Dude, we lived here for like a month. We had Dominos 7, yeah.
Every day almost.
No, we didn't.
Almost every day.
Alright, well, that's what we're having right now. That's what you want?
Yep.
You want sushi Dominos?
Yep.
It wound up raining a little bit more than we expected on the walk back. We actually took the train tunnel to get over here without getting soaked. Luckily, they give you a plastic bag to carry your pizza box in. Otherwise, I don't know if this thing would have made it. But here we go. That's what Tanner wanted. You good?
Just wash my hands.
Yeah. Pizza?
Yep.
Mom back home, you know, had pizza. So he was like, I want pizza. What else are we doing later?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
Nope.
Big day?
Tomorrow.
We should go and check out the mall a bit more.
Okay.
Yeah. Just walk around.
Alright.
Like all the floors instead of just
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
Yeah. We'll probably go do that. Back outside. It's a beautiful night. Look at this. Still sprinkling now. The 1% chance of raining still there, but it's dry. It's not horrible. You tired?
Yeah.
Yeah? There, let's go to Chinatown. We can walk there.
No.
It won't take that long. Only in Japan can there still be a Toys R Us. It's pretty cool. You never grew up with that lifestyle. I know. Tanner? Hi. I think we're gonna have to get him back to the house. He's looking a little tired. Or the room. But yeah, we just kind of just been walking the floors, checking out all the stores and shopping they have available here. We're back on the 5th floor where the arcade, movie theater, and Caesarea is. Me and Tanner were just getting back from the mall. Nothing really to show over there. And we're like, man, what's going on? There's people lying all up and down the bridge just taking photos and video of this right here. That's crazy, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, it does look cool though. Don't get me wrong. The Ferris wheel over there, doing all kinds of fancy light shows and everything. Let's see. So that's pretty cool. But Tanner's a little worn out from today, so we're gonna get him back upstairs and get him laid down. Do you want to stop by Family Mart, grab anything? It's the nightly thing to do.
No.
You want to go ride Vanish the roller coaster?
No.
It's running.
No.
Oh, come on. We're back in the room. I got him laid out. Tanner, you doing okay? Yeah, he's done for the day. I guess we're done for the day. Yeah, I gotta make sure he's rested. Can't be burning him out the whole time we're here. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video of us going out to Kamakura. Quick couple spots. Nothing too crazy. I think he's gonna need a 12-hour rest day. You ready for 12 hours of rest? Yeah. So we're gonna drink water. Drink water. We're gonna rest. I'm gonna edit. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. Love the support. It's free to do. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great night.